Hi guys, it's Ray. I have a Temu order today. I have not ordered from Temu in months. I don't even remember what's in here. So I will put prices on the screen because I don't have them offhand. And everything was discounted anyways. That's kind of why I ordered. They sucked me into one of their, deals. I will say I spent an even $29 on this order, exactly. So we'll see. Hopefully everything's okay. First I got these little, meal prep storage boxes. These are not huge, not tiny. Sorry for the tinkling, it's Temu. And some of these lids are in fact cracked, so I can just see on the side, looking down the stack, maybe only one of them. But they're just like little takeout containers. These ones are fairly small. That was two bottoms. But, yeah, see, some of the lids are a little bit cracked, but no big deal. These are just for the times when somebody takes a Tupperware out of the house and it's never to be seen again. So, no biggie. And hopefully this is intact. I broke my rule and ordered something breakable, so far so good. It's actually well packaged. So, it's huge. I needed a new butter dish. This one is mammoth. I love it. My butter dish broke ages ago, and I've not replaced it yet. This even has a little spreader that lives in the top. Pretty heavyweight. I don't know that I would keep that in the top all the time because it just sits on there, and it's got like a ceramic handle. But my butter's been kind of floating around on a my mason jar spoon rest, and since I've been baking so much and we're keeping, not cooking butter, but butter that's ready to use around more, I decided it was time for a new butter dish. So, huge. I'm actually pretty impressed with that. This is just a microfiber cloth. I think it's like a 5-pack. I could be wrong though. Yep, that's a 5-pack. Just because I'm constantly needing little cleaning rags. So, these ones are pretty thin, which is good because the last ones I bought were like mammoth. These are better for small jobs. So, that's good. This is just a little drying rack. I'm still in the pursuit of what's going to work best in the camper. This is just a silicone mat. I currently have two, fabric ones, and then I have to hang them somewhere to dry. So I'm hoping if I set this even on top of those, maybe it would help. I don't know. Otherwise, I'll just keep it in the craft room and use it to pour molds on. I ordered the smaller one, and I probably should have gotten the bigger one. So I may just keep this in the craft room and then get a bigger one. Because this is actually good for, doming projects and stuff because it's not flat. But I don't know. This is just some extra large black gloves. I don't know if they're nitrile or not. But I got them in an extra large to keep on hand for when Dustin needs a pair of gloves, because I wear a medium and I don't stock a larger size. And I think this was like 20 pairs or 20 pieces. So they'll either go live in his garage or I'll keep them in here for when he asks for a pair. This is a 3-pack of like cable minders, you know, if you wrap up an extension cord or something. That's what that is for. Those always come in handy. Well, these are different. These are silicone stir sticks, but these have no... These ones are just sticks. I don't have any like this. Whoa. Nothing at the top, nothing at the bottom, just a stick. We'll see. And then there's one more thing in here. And this I was kind of skeptical about. This is what started the order. We'll see. We'll see if anything's cracked in here. And we'll see what the quality is. These were like steeply discounted from their, you know, original price, but their original price might have been a little over-exaggerated. But this is just an assortment of like storage bins and organizers. I want to say it's like a 40-piece set. I don't really want to have to open the entire thing. There we go. So, and they had quite a variety of different size bins. So I think that was like a 30-piece set, and I think there's, no, it might be more than that. I think it was like a 40 or 50-piece set, to be honest. They're obviously made to go on some kind of organizing system. These are actually pretty sturdy. They're much sturdier than I expected, so that's good. But there's 10 of that size. Oh, see, they slip into each other. They actually lock together. I mean, I wouldn't pick them up and carry them around full, but... So at any rate, there's 10 of that size. I believe these are all the same size. These are just smaller cups if you had small parts to organize. I'm not sure if these are all exactly the same or not, but yeah. He's been working on organizing his garage more, and he's bought some bins and things, but I didn't know if he could use these or if he wanted them. But I want to say this entire set cost me like $5, which is a pretty good deal for all of these, being that, you know, a 3-pack of these trays is, actually, I don't even remember if it's a 2-pack or a 3-pack of these is $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So, and there's 10 about that same size, a little bit shallower at the bottom. So that is it. That is my entire Temu haul. Nothing earth-shattering. I just hadn't ordered in a while, and they sucked me in. So my favorite thing in this order would be my new butter dish. It's super cute. I'm actually going to take it out and wash it and put it into service right now. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.